Hi guys, in this video I am going to replace my car headliner. As you can see, it is sag. The foam underneath is rotten. I don't know if you can see inside, but the foam is rotten, so the car headliner is dropped. So we are going to replace this, and for us to do so we need to remove this panel, the lights. Also we need to remove these side panel here and that one at the back there, and vice versa. We need to remove the handles, right guys? So I'm going to show you step by step how to go on about doing this. And if you look at this one, there is the clip inside. So we just removed one of the clip. As you can see, it is indeed a clip. So this is the handle, and as you can see, this is the clip, right? And when that is hooked in, you will see that there is two things there. You have to put the screwdriver at each end and close in the clip. So it's like you're closing in the clip with the two screwdrivers, right guys? So it's something like this. You're closing in the clip like this and the clip will release. So I just want you to look closely up into the hole. We can see up in this side, you push one screwdriver underneath and you lift this up. The other one at the top, you bring this down as well. So you bring this down and you bring the two clips together, and then the whole handle will come out. That's how you do it. So guys, guess what? I removed the four handles, and as you can see, the whole sack drop lower further. The four handles are out. I also removed the light here as well. You can see the light hanging there. So I removed the light as well. There's some clip by the side of the light, and here is the cable at the top. What you need to do here, you need to use a flat point screwdriver by the side of this. So use the flat point screwdriver by the side and pull forwards. Then these clips by the side will be released. So that's how you remove that. I'm getting some competition with the sack dropping, well, the car liner dropping. So I'm going to remove this panel at the front there. So guys, we have these lights to remove as well. They normally turns on when you slide. When you slide this to see yourself in the mirror, that light normally turns on. So we need to remove these lights as well. And we're also going to do the other one. We need to remove this as well from here, right? So we need to remove this. There should be a screw underneath. So we need to take a flat point screwdriver and take this off, right? Take this off. It's already slack, so I need to take this off. There's also another clip there, right? So guys, we just took this out, and if you notice, we need to unplug that wire right there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to unplug that wire that is responsible for the mirror. Guys, we just unplugged the wire. As you can see here, we are going to just rest this right here, and then we are going to do the other one as well. This can come off right here. So that's how we are looking there, guys. We also need to take this out as well. So when we cross that bridge, we'll be taking that out. So we are going to do this one, and it's the same procedure as this side. I just removed this part there, and what I realize is that I end up breaking off piece of it, which is the hook right there. And I don't want you guys to make the same mistake actually. I would need to replace this anyway. We have the other one to do here. So what really happened is that you can't remove this by clipping anything here. You need to actually remove this by pressing it out. So just to let you guys know so that you won't make any mistake, because I haven't seen how to remove these from any tutorial or anything online. So guys, everything is done. I just took down the last light. It is still connected. For those of you who are doing this, you can unplug your battery as well, just for safety. So because the door is open, why it is on. So once I close the door, the light will come off, right? So the light will come off. So basically everything is done. All we have to do is just remove the side piece and we are good to go. So we can start by removing the side piece and we're good to go. So guys, I'm a disaster, right? I am indeed a disaster right now. I already removed the side pieces, as you can see, even at the back. So I'm just about to remove this thing and take it out and clean this off and install the new car headliner. A lot of work. This place is a mess. You look at it. So guys, I am going to clean this off, and then after we are going to apply adhesive spray, and then we are going to put on the new car headliner on it. So I am going to clean this off. As you can see, it's the old foam that is on it. I'm going to clean this off. That really pissed me off, Jade. So guys, this is the finished product here of the car headliner. As you can see, everything looking good, as you can see there. And yeah, just mean this one is thicker than the original. This one is thicker than the original, but it looks very, very good. And in the night, there are some glitters that just shine, you know. So I hope that this was helpful to you guys, you know, taking your car headliner apart. And just as how you take out these side clips, just as how you remove these side bars here, these ones, you got to put them back in. There are some clips that need to go back into place, and you should be good to go. And the handles as well. All you have to do with these, you need to push them right in and they will just automatically click and they will jam. So as you pull, they will be very stabilized because it's like a jam, you know, it's like a jam. So guys, that's it for the video. Do like, share, subscribe and all of that good stuff. I'm out.